What should I do if the reset button on my Whirlpool refrigerator doesn't work?
Welcome. Today we're going to discuss a common issue with Whirlpool refrigerators, the reset button not working. Don't panic. We're here to help you troubleshoot and hopefully resolve the issue. Remember, safety first. Always unplug your refrigerator before working on it.
Understanding the reset button.
Firstly, it's important to understand the purpose of the reset button on your Whirlpool refrigerator. Typically, this button is used to reset the refrigerator after a power outage or to reset the filter light indicator after a new filter has been installed. If the reset button itself is not functioning, it could be due to a few reasons which we'll explore in the next sections.
Check power supply.
Before you dive into other troubleshooting steps, make sure your refrigerator is receiving adequate power. Check if other parts of the refrigerator like the light, fan, or digital display are functioning. If they're not, there could be a problem with your power supply. If this is the case, check your breakers and outlets.
Reset button is stuck.
Sometimes, the reset button might be stuck due to accumulated dirt or a mechanical issue. Carefully try to clean around the button with a dry cloth, ensuring you don't cause any damage. If the button is physically stuck, it might be necessary to have a professional look at it.
Resetting the filter indicator.
If your reset button isn't resetting the filter indicator, it could be because the button wasn't pressed correctly or for long enough. Press and hold the reset button for at least 3 seconds. If this doesn't work, you might have to replace the filter or have a professional diagnose the problem.
Contacting Whirlpool support.
If none of these steps resolve the issue, it's time to contact Whirlpool's customer service. They can provide you with additional troubleshooting steps or arrange for a technician to visit if necessary. Remember to provide them with your model number to help them assist you better. And that's it. We hope this guide has been helpful in addressing your issue with the Whirlpool refrigerator reset button. Remember, when in doubt, it's always best to consult a professional to avoid causing further damage. Thanks for watching and good luck with your refrigerator troubleshooting.